Okay, jet lag is real, so let's watch Misbehave. Te, parang kay drama naman to. Haba. In fairness, ang creative ng mga shots dito sa show na to. Ayan o. Taray. Makena. Ooh, si Desaline. Hindi siya pala super rich as I thought. This is interesting that they're doing this, that they're showing us the parents right away. Kasi makikita mo din talaga, as soon as you see the parents, you kind of see into the personality of the kids, why they are the kind of person that they are. So like for Desaline, medyo nakagigets ko na kung saan nanggagaling yung nakikita ko sa kanya. And like, I mean, even Isabel, right? And Nyx, and with Marla. Please tell me they're not called here kasi they're in trouble.
Wanted your daughters to be expelled.
Why? Di ba sila nagtaka na yung top 4 students, yun yung nalikang nudes? Like, there has to be something. Why are they not investigating this?
I guarantee you that my son, my dearest Lester,
Nanay pala niya yun eh. Nanay ni Lester eh, kaya pala ganun ang astahan ni Lester.
are you sure na hindi ka maka-question kung gaano pagkabuting ina sa anak mo? You might be ruining the reputation of your family.
Nahiblad na ako. Nahiblad na ako dito kay Makena. Pangalan Makena. Why you all giving out your nudes? Ah!
Sana hindi ka maging tanga katulad ko.
I'm not sure kung tama yung nanay ni Marla, pero I kinda like her.
Makakita na isang mabuting lalaki. Ayan, matalino, mabait, higit sa lahat, mayaman.
Sa na mata ko kaka-roll ng loka.
Na hindi talino ang makakapagpaangat sa isang buhay. Ha? Mag-a-abroad ka? Tapos
Na-stress ako. Alam mo yung sobrang nakaka-frustrate yung mga sinasabi ng mga magulang nila. Pero it hits hard because it's true. Like what Desaline's mom is saying is true. So even though I don't agree with her, I know that what she's saying is true. And it's heartbreaking, but dang.
Eh, bakit naman nakiwat ako? Parang galit ka. Galit ka ba?
Wala, meron. In fairness, ayoko si Desaline last episode. Pero right now, she's the one I like the most, I think. Nakita ko na to sa Twitter. Sobrang benta. Tawa-tawa ako dito. Nabasa ka ba diary? Napanood ko na to. Naiyak pa din ako. Agree. Absent parents. Makes sense. Na all mayaman may sariling rage room.
Pag may kanan, dapat linisin.
Ligpitin na may sala.
Somebody probably hacked my phone.
Te, sa'yo lang sinend. Tigilan mo ko. Exactly.
Ito ako.
We, I bet tuwang toha kasi bababa na grades niya.
Alam mo ba kung ano yung sakripisyo ko para lang makapiling ka?
Shit.
Paglaban ka.
Mukha mo. Ay, naku, na-high blood ako. Ayoko na. Te, wala mo na to. Te, na-stress ako sa inyo. Nakaka-stress mga tao hindi pa fully developed yung prefrontal cortex. Te, na-stress ako kay Cole. Sasapakin ko yan. Nainis ako. Ewan ko sa'yo. Buti hindi ko pa ito napapanood nung nanood ako ng mall tour. Kundi irapan ko to si JC, naiinis ako. Girl, at least di mo sinuko ang bataan. Imagine your regret right now, di ba? Liligpitin ka niya. Yes, let's go. Te, get up. Like, oh my gosh. We're already here. Like, just do something about it. Te, what if magsanib puwersa? Nakakaloka. Go! Alam niya ako sino?
Suspended over something out of our control. Yet we're the ones being punished.
Like, ano ba ngayon kung nasuspend sila? Parang 5 days lang naman na chill yun, di ba? Or like, I don't know. Ang effective ni Rain sa role niya, yung medyo weirdo na, ano yun, kind of scary siya. Tapos yung English niya bagay kasi mayaman siya, di ba? Kasi super mayaman siya. Tapos ang tangkad niya talaga. Nakakatakot siya, actually. She's so cool. Ang mall tour nila, super bait ng mga fans niya. Shoutout sa fans ni Rain. You guys are so nice. Binigyan nila kami ng hand banner. Gusto ko tong Desalin na to. Yan, girl. Dapat ganyan. Magtayong pakonyo-konyo. Ganyan ka naman talaga.
Excuse me language, pero shootang inabel.
Shootang in a bells. Cute ng color scheme nila ang lahat. Pinaninindigan. Doon papasok sa April pala. Kasi inisip ko hindi siya part ng group nila. Pero connected nga siya kay Cole. Pero nga, di ba, ano siya? Computer geek. Hindi nila gets si Isabel. Significance ba tong patay-patay ng ilaw? Kanina pa yan eh. Cute ni Nix. Apaka walang kwenta naman ng mga lalaking to. Kahit kailan talaga.
Won't help.
Super galing ni Cyril sa ganitong klaseng acting. Benta. Maniniwala ka talaga kahit sobrang absurd. T, remember what your daddy said. T, kasi nga, hindi mo pa naaamoy. It's not yun. Hindi lang talaga kayo talo. Ate ko, ang sakit. Oh my gosh, aunt. Ay, nako, I feel bad already. Pastor pa pala tatay mo, ti. Galing ma-acting ni Cyril, my God. Dahil grabe sa external force. I'm just kidding. I think I need to get used to this because I think this is the kind of show this is actually. Release her nudes. Char lang. Diba? Nilabas din yung nudes niya. Pero the weird thing is, why are they releasing it? Whoever is doing it, why did they release it now and not before? Although, feeling ko, parang nilagay lang nila dun si Migo to make him suspicious eh. So, hindi siya yun. Hello? So, si Migo nga nag-release. I mean, that makes sense story-wise. But like, wouldn't he be in trouble for that then? Gusto ko how their nudes look like pictorials. Sobrang different niya mula dun sa unang episode. Kasi yung unang episode, dinog-show ko lang. Pero this time, it was actually very, ang tawag dito, impactful. Even yung lines, actually, parang bigla siyang naging very realistic na, okay, gets ko anong gusto nilang mangyari. Pero, sa themes, or like, the direction, like cinematography and all that, or the actual vibe of the show, I kind of get it, pero I feel like it's still trying to solidify that, kung ano ba talagang gusto nilang gawin. Kasi I see it's campy, but like, I don't know, it's not quite landing yet. Everything that Cyril's doing is working for me. Everything that Rain's doing is working for me. Pero I feel like, kailangan pa nilang parang mag-mesh well. Siguro ngayon na papasok na si April sa circle nila na silang 5 na, I think it's gonna be good. Di ko na alam kung sino pinaghihinalaan ko ngayon at matatapos na rin tong ano ko sa TikTok. So, yeah, I think that's it from me. Pag nabore ulit ako, I will watch. So, bye-bye!